I need a big brush. I need a better brush. Where are my brushes? Are they downstairs? I don't even know. Where are my brushes? When's the last time I combed my hair? What's up, y'all? This is Duana, aka Glamazon1026, and welcome to the Glam Room. Thank you for coming if you're new. Thank you for returning if you are an old friend. Today, we are going to do this Princess Jasmine poof ball ponytail. I don't really know what it's called. I feel like it looked like Princess Jasmine, and I got these little gold cords in there to just like hype it up a little bit, and I think it's really cute. So if you want to see how to get this done, you know, with your little baby hairs laid and all that stuff, stay tuned because I'm doing it after the break. All right, y'all, this is how I look. This is how I've been looking for the past 3 days. A mess, basically. We look a mess. We know we look a mess. We're gonna stop looking a mess right now because we're about to do this Princess Jasmine black girl ponytail, okay? For this, you're gonna need some Cuban hair, like Marley twists, whatever. I got 3 packs. I doubt I need that much. We're gonna need some gel. This is the Wet Line Extreme Gel. I need some rubber bands, and you're gonna need some accoutrements, okay? Hair accoutrements. And of course, thank me later gel and a head tie. That's important. Let's get into this. Let's take my hair out of this sad ponytail that I've been walking around in. So my hair is old. It's dirty. And I just need something to do with this so I don't have to comb it until next week. All right, so I want it to be a side ponytail. I feel like I want it to be a side swoop ponytail. Not, well, kind of like a swoop, but not really. Not this turned into an ASMR video. You gotta make sure the part is clean. Clean as in the straightness of the part and clean as in dandruff free. Okay, here we go. We got our part, yay. All right, so I'm just gonna section these off so that we can keep our parts while we are slicking the back down. Cool, cool. So what I like about the Wet Line Extreme Gel over Eco Styler is that it dries quicker. I've noticed that. So with Eco Styler, if I put my hair in a ponytail, the whole week my ponytail is gonna be wet. But with the Wet Line Extreme, it be drying. I like that. Just gonna use this to hold it. This is just a temporary hold, y'all. Ooh, Lord have mercy. Okay, we got that. All right, so now we're gonna get this side down. I'm gonna try at least. Okay, so now we're gonna do this last part. The only reason I can put this in one ponytail instead of breaking it up into my usual 2 is because my hair was straightened before we did this. But that's not a step I'm willing to take all the time, so we're just gonna go with it right now. And then we're gonna put a little bit more gel on the sides in them because you know my sides like to ride up, so. All right, so now we're not gonna do anything else to it right now. We're just going to tie it down. So this is what we call the first flattening. All right, so let's go. So now we're gonna go in, we're gonna do the second, actually this first flattening did pretty well, but I'm gonna just go in and touch everything up. Go in and clean up these edges, make sure that the flyaway hairs that are going on up here, make sure that they're going down, and then that's gonna be the second flattening, okay? We're going to put some Thank Me Later gel, very extreme hold on this hair right here, especially like right on the sides and stuff, because those sides like to get puffy. All right, so let's see if we can get these edges looking good. Okay, let's see if we can get this done with some Wet Line Extreme on top, on the bottom, and then we're gonna put the Thank Me Later on top. We're gonna try not to mess up our eyebrows, even though they're an easy fix. Baby, I'm just trying to lay my edge down. All right, so now I'm just gonna put some Thank Me Later up here in the part to make that part nice and smooth and straight. And then we're gonna go in for the second flattening. All right, so let's take this head tie off. Ooh, look at that. Nice and flat. Okay, we see it, we see it. Okay, we got a little poof in the back. That's not gonna stay like that. So what I'm gonna do is just take the my hair, right? And I'm just going to twist it together and then kind of just put it in a knot. I'm gonna take 1 pack of our Model 24-inch Mojito Cuban hair. We're going to take our hair ties. It's like a loop. You make a loop with it. Loop here, and you pull one side through to the other side. And then you take this and you put it on the back of your ponytail, just like that. And then wrap it around twice so that it's nice and secure, okay? Okay, all right, so now we have a whole lot of hair back here. Now I really look like a Quan sis. I should take a picture like this and be like, ooh, it's my hair. You get in trouble with the natural hair community. So now, I'm gonna take this thread and I'm going to go around back. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see this. We're gonna tie it right there, just like that. You see, we got our first little boo. Okay. And we're just gonna cut this little thread off. Boom, we got our first one. All right, so I'm just gonna do that all the way down. And now that we're at the end, we can use rubber bands because it's not that much hair. And then this one, obviously, is just gonna be the smallest one. Just down, I just folded it up and it's just gonna be folded up like that. We're gonna put a rubber band around it and that's gonna be that. And there you go, you have your ponytail. But we're not finished because we still need to make this look good. So we're just gonna fluff them out just to make them, you know, a little fluffier. So I got me some hair accoutrement and we're just gonna wrap that around each of the little bowls. We're here, we're back. It's been about, I wanna say like an hour. And so now we're gonna take it off so we can see how everything looks after the third and final flattening. I'm just going to put this pin right here just to hold that down. Okay, and here we go. There we have it. I'm gonna do a little swivel so y'all could see. I hope it's cute. I hope it's cute from the back. I still haven't looked at it. I don't know what it looks like. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. This is the finished look. I got me a little Lori Harvey in the front, Kamala in the back, okay? So if you guys like this look, be sure to give me a thumbs up and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to become a part of the Glam Fam and know exactly when I upload. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Glamazon1026, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Wear her as like a little muff collar, because you know it's cold outside, right? Even in Tennessee, it's mad cold. If you're traveling, you can use it as a neck pillow. You know, you're good. You know, this Princess Jasmine is she's multifunctional. Why am I like this? I don't know.